But my previous job compared to this job, and I have nothing bad to say about my previous job. It was employment. They did me fair. The pay was okay. But with this company, with Vintage, this company is just great to work for. I mean, the people are amazing. Everything is what you want it to be. We have great benefits, bonuses when necessary. Again, great people. You can call anybody on a whim and get the information you need. You can get anything that you need answered, a reply. Just great overall company compared to the company that I previously used to work for. So yes, those are the reasons what will probably make me stay until I retire. Hi, my name is Kevin Jones. I'm a BME maintenance tech here at Vintage Realty. Some of my job skills are heating and AC, plumbing and electrical. Some of my job duties are actually maintaining the properties on a consistent basis, making sure trash is empty, typical things that you would do with the company. What I enjoy most about working at Vintage is one, the people who hired me. The Vintage Group is a great company to work for. Love the people that I deal with. Small group of people, but we're large in stature. Two is I love the tenants. I love the tenants on the buildings that I have because I grow to have a relationship with them. And once you get that relationship with those tenants, you pretty much got a bond with them. They know you, you know them. So those are the two things that I really love about working for Vintage. The reason why I would encourage someone to come here to Vintage for employment, if I had one word to say, I would say growth. Of course, you're coming in as a BME maintenance tech, but there's so much growth. You're not put in a place where you'll actually be doing the same job every day. You're able to move around. You're able to go to different properties. You're able to expand your mind to meet different people on the medical side, on the commercial side, on the retail side. All those things make this company worth coming to. It was a great career move for me. The people are amazing. The company is amazing. Again, the benefits are amazing. We have so many things you can learn. You can learn from other people. This is a great company to work for. I encourage anybody, if you're looking for a career move and this is your field of work, this would be the place that you would want to come to and start a new career here at Vintage.